In 2024, Thaco Trailers, the #1 trailers manufacturer in Vietnam, focuses on export activities and trade promotion in the North American market. Recently, Thaco Trailers has consistently made its mark with numerous export shipments to leading semi-trailer distributors in the region. To meet diverse transportation needs, we place a strong emphasis on R&D activities, launching various product lines with specialized configurations for the North American market. These products meet all standards: DOT, AAR, ANSI, TOFC, FC, MVSS, SAE, and TTMA. In addition, Thaco Trailers attended industry-specific exhibitions and events such as the ATATMC Annual Meeting and Transportation Technology Exhibition, Truck World, and the Canacar General Assembly. These events provided opportunities to showcase and introduce our products, update technology trends, gather new ideas, and expand the network of strategic partners, suppliers, and customers. Thaco Trailers semi-trailers have been highly praised by international customers for our superior quality, optimal design, and exceptional performance. Notably, Thaco Trailers has officially become a member of the Intermodal Association of North America, IANA, one of the industry's largest and most prestigious associations. This milestone demonstrates the strong presence of Thaco Trailers and marks a significant step in our journey to conquer the international semi-trailer market. Vietnamese origin, America standards.